Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another new episode of Mobile Funda theme customization, where today we are going to customize our Redmi and Poco devices using 3 new HyperOS 3 themes. And the best part is all these themes are available on our theme store, and you can apply them on both HyperOS 1 and 2. So let's find out what's special in this theme and how to apply it. By the way, if you like this customized theme, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more amazing HyperOS themes in the future. Now let's talk about today's customized theme. The lock screen appears with a big centered clock widget at the top. If we talk about the customization, then just single tap on the navigation bar and you will get some customizations options here, such as wallpaper, clock, widget, and few settings like light and dark mode, blur mode, and glass UI effect. Also, if we swipe down on the lock screen, an iOS-inspired control center appears, where we get a few handy shortcuts. Coming to the home screen, it appears in a clean layout with a large clock widget at the top showing time and date info. You can customize this wallpaper and clock widget with any icon pack of your choice. Now let's move on to the main features of this theme, the icons. We get a complete HyperOS 3 style look, especially for these system icons. Along with that, you will also see a liquid glass effect around the corners. So if you are looking for HyperOS 3 dark icons, then this icon pack is just perfect for you. Next, talking about the control center, it appears with a liquid glass effect and colorful icons that look like floating toggles. Even the notification panel has the same liquid glass design. The volume control layout appears in a blue-yellow color tone with a smooth stock animation. Last but not least, if we talk about the settings menu, then the setting menu appears in this layout, where the icons appears with a dark and liquid glass effect, while the swipe back gesture remains similar to the stock theme. So these were the features of this theme. Now let's see how to customize it. First, go to the pinned comment and download the themes using the given link. Second, open your theme store and first apply the theme Solara. This will apply the icons, status bar and control center. Third, for the home screen widget, go to the customize theme, then favorite tray and apply the theme Sweet White. Fourth, for the lock screen, go to the lock style and apply the theme Love. Then tap on this customize icon and choose the wallpaper you have downloaded from the Telegram channel and apply it. Now your HyperOS 3 customized theme is ready. You will find all the theme links in the pinned comment below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's customized theme. If yes, then like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more amazing HyperOS themes in the future. See you in the next video with another interesting theme. Till then, keep customizing.